वेलकम हियर इन एजुकेटर एकेडमी। एक्सेल में आपने बहुत से फंक्शन प्री डिफाइन देखे होंगे, लेकिन आज हम खुद फंक्शन बनाने लगे हैं एक्सेल में। तो डेवलपर टैब में जाके विजुअल बेसिक्स में here is visual basic, so I'm using this, and let me insert module for making our desired function. So let me here is insert, so let me insert module here for our programming, for our coding for function. So let me define this first function, and a function name here is area. So I'm creating the area function. So so let me comment here function for area. So this is actually I'm defining that this is the comment for you can easily get understand. So let me declare length for dim as double. तो मैंने इधर लेंथ को डिक्लेयर कर दिया एज अ डबल बिकॉज double contain all the point value bigger than value, so that's why I'm declaring here length as a double. You can also declare length as a integer, so whatsoever you can. So this is actually the declaration for double value. And again, let me copy this line. Let me declaration of copy this line. I am declaring here width. So let me write here width. तो इधर मैंने width को भी define कर दिया है as a double, so that it also be contain all values you can insert at the point value as a bigger than value. For calculating area it will easily calculate. So let me comment this is actually the width declaration for double value. सो दिस इज़ माई कमेंट हेयर। तो मैंने लेंथ और विड्थ को डिफ़ाइन कर दिया है। तो अब यूज़र से मैंने लेना है लेंथ को और विड्थ को, तो इसलिए आई एम डिक्लेयरिंग हेयर लेंथ इज़ इक्वल टू इनपुट बॉक्स. इट विल क्रिएट अ बॉक्स for user to enter whatever the value it is, maybe the integer, it may be the float values or the point value for calculating area. So let's suppose input box enter length and enter a number. So it will create a box that user can enter the length for calculating area. So let me copy this, and then paste here. So let me comment this input box for taking input length from user. So this is my comment. So let me copy this line and then paste here. So let me copy width and then paste width. So this is width defining. So this is taking input width from user. So let me comment here input width from user. So this is taking input from user. So let me write the area formula. So area, as we know, area is equal to length multiplied by width. So let me arrange my code. So length here and then width here. Now area is equal to length multiplied by width. So that's why I'm writing here area is equal to length, this length, and let me copy this and then paste here length multiplied by this width. So let me copy this and then paste here. So this length multiplied by width is equal to area. So let me comment this. So this is actually formula for area calculation. By using this formula we can calculate area easily. So let me go toward the Excel and the copy the area function name. So that's why I will call here in Excel sheet. So let me write here is equal to and then area, then press enter. You can see enter length I am entering 12 and then enter width I am entering 12. So 12 multiplied by 12 is 144. This is actually calculation of area. So this will calculate area. That's why this is my area function by using VBA coding in Excel. So this is not predefined, but I am actually defined this by on using VBA coding. So let me also make a formula for creating volume. So let me go toward the developer tag and then here is VBA coding. So as we define length and width, let me define height. As we know, uh, volume is equal to length multiplied by width multiplied by height. So that's why I'm declaring height. So this is my height declaration. So let me write here height as double. So let me copy this and then paste here in comment so that it will be easily understand. So let me write here height. So now I also take input from user. also take input height from user, so that's why I'm writing here. Let me write here, copy this again and then paste here. This is my height input box, and let me, and now you can see length multiplied by width multiplied by height. So this is actually the volume formula. So let me write here volume. तो मैंने volume को भी define कर लिया है, volume function भी defined हो गया है with the name area. So let me go toward the Excel sheet and then run this. Okay, so and this, now let me go toward the Excel sheet and write here equal and the function name. So let me check here, the function name here is area. तो function का नाम लिखना है and then press enter. So length 12, height 12, width 12. So you can see volume has been calculated. So guys, if you like my video, then never forget to subscribe my channel for more tip and tricks in Excel. So guys, don't forget to press bell icon for more update videos. Thanks.